Hello. Today I'm gonna show you 50 pairs in Fisheries series, which is very important for new fancier. New fanciers should know before pairing. I'm making pairing which is very common. So watch the complete video. In first pairing we are taking green fisher with blue fisher. In second pairing we are taking green split blue with blue fisher. In third pairing we are taking blue with violet green fisher. In fourth pairing we are taking blue with violet green split blue fisher. In fifth pairing we are taking green split parbleu with blue fisher. In sixth pairing we are taking green with blue violet fisher. In seventh pairing we are taking green split blue with violet green split blue fisher. In eighth pairing we are taking green with parbleu fisher. In ninth pairing we are taking parbleu with green split blue fisher. In 10th pairing we are taking parbleu with DD blue fisher. In 11th pairing we are taking parbleu with violet green fisher. In 12th pairing we are taking green with green aniselino. In 13th pairing we are taking green aniselino with blue fisher. In 14th pairing we are taking green Anasalino with green split blue Fisher. In 15th pairing we are taking green with DD blue Fisher. In 16th pairing we are taking violet with green Fisher. In 17th pairing we are taking violet with green split blue Fisher. In 18th pairing we are taking violet with blue Fisher. In 19th pairing we are taking violet with par blue Fisher. In 20 pairing we are taking green with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 21 pairing we are taking green Anasalino with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 22 pairing we are taking blue with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 23 pairing we are taking violet with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 24 pairing we are taking par blue with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 25 pairing we are taking green split blue with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 26 pairing we are taking blue split Anasalino with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 27 pairing we are taking green split Anasalino with blue Anasalino. In 28 pairing we are taking green split Anasalino with blue Anasalino. In 29 pairing we are taking par blue splitino with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 30 pairing we are taking green Anasalino split blue with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 31 pairing we are taking green deck split blue split Anasalino with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 32 pairing we are taking green with blue pastel Fisher. In 33 pairing we are taking green split blue with blue pastel Fisher. In 34 pairing we are taking green split blue split pastel with blue pastel Fisher. In 35 pairing we are taking blue pastel with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 36 pairing we are taking blue pastel with par blue Fisher. In 37 pairing we are taking blue pastel with par blue split Anasalino Fisher. In 38 pairing we are taking blue pastel split Eno with blue Anasalino Fisher. In 39 pairing we are taking blue pastel splitino with par blue splitino Fisher. In 40 pairing we are taking blue split Anasalino with par blue split Anasalino Fisher. In 41 pairing we are taking green split blue split Anasalino with par blue split Anasalino Fisher. In 42 pairing we are taking green split par blue split Anasalino with blue split Anasalino Fisher. In 43 pairing we are taking green Anasalino split blue with par blue splitino Fisher. In 44 pairing we are taking green split blue with DD blue Fisher. In 45 pairing we are taking DD Blue with Blue NSLino Fisher. In 46 pairing we are taking DD Blue with Violet Green Fisher. In 47 pairing we are taking DD Blue with Violet Green Split Blue Fisher. In 48 pairing we are taking Green NSLino Split Blue with DD Blue Fisher. In 49 pairing we are taking DD Blue with Violet Fisher. And in last pairing we are taking Violet with Par Blue Fisher. So that's all basic pairing for new fancier. New fancier must learn this topic. Easy to understand. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you.